My name is Laurie Dugid and the course that I'm doing is Pattern Making Level 2, which is a short course. So I graduated in 2020 and I didn't have time to go straight into industry. I ended up still being in fashion but teaching fashion textiles, so I felt like I didn't have all the skills to get back into industry. I had some, but I felt like I really need like a refresher. This week I've decided that I'm going to drop a week in my day job, and then on a Friday I'm actually going to commit to doing what I've done this week. So I'm going to be pattern making. I'm going to dedicate a day of being creative to myself, because as we know, when we graduate, sometimes life speeds up. So it's really put me back in touch with my creative skills and has encouraged me to get straight back into it. Yeah, absolutely. So my expectations were to make a shirt and to make trousers, but actually I've learnt so much more than that. I've not only learnt much more technical skills than I expected to, but I've learnt to be really confident in my abilities, because pattern making wasn't my strong point. It was, more textiles. So I think, as well as the skills being really valuable, it's actually really made me feel quite confident in my practice again, and I think that's what I needed. I'd say I've got a mixed bag of different experiences in the class. Some people are working in industry, some people are very new to pattern making and did the level 1 course before, and it's quite an age range as well, but we all have that in common kind of bond where we all want to make patterns. And in terms of how it's taught, I feel like there's a really healthy pace to the classroom. It feels like it's the first time I've been challenged in a real long while in terms of technical skill, but then it's also really supportive, so it's got that good balance between being challenging and being supportive. So it's just been a perfect environment for me to grow, really.